Dear students, in this video we will understand what is Cartesian product. Before that, we will understand what are ordered pairs. Ordered pairs are written like this: A comma B, X comma Y, 1 comma 2, like this. Now, in this ordered pair, this is the first element and this is the second element. Always order is important. We cannot interchange A and B. Equality of ordered pairs. When do we say two ordered pairs are equal? When we have two ordered pairs X comma Y and A comma B, these two ordered pairs are equal, then the first element of both the ordered pairs should be same. X should be equal to A and second elements of the two ordered pairs should be same. Y should be equal to B. Only then we say the ordered pairs are equal. Now we'll understand this with an example. Given that these two ordered pairs are equal, we have to find the value of X and Y. We'll use the concept of equality of ordered pairs, that is X plus 2 is equal to 4. That is the first elements of the ordered pairs are equal. So X is equal to 2 and Y plus 3 is equal to 2. So Y is minus 1. We used the concept of equality of ordered pairs. Now we'll understand the definition of Cartesian product. Cartesian product of two sets. It is denoted as A cross B. And how is it defined? The ordered pair A comma B such that A belongs to A. A belongs to A means A belongs to the first set here, and when we say B belongs to B, B belongs to the second set here. So this is how the Cartesian product of two sets are defined. Now here is an example. We have two sets and we'll write the Cartesian product of A and B. Cartesian product of A and B, that is A cross B, is nothing but 1 comma 2 comma 3 cross A comma B. Now it is 1 should be paired with these two. That is, we know that if A is the first element in A cross B, then the ordered pair also should have 1, 2, 3 as the first element. So it is 1 comma A, it is 1 comma B. Now this second element of the set A, that is 2 comma A, 2 comma B. Now the third element, which is 3 comma A, 3 comma B. Similarly, you check for B cross A. B cross A should have the elements of B as the first element of the ordered pair. That is A comma 1, A comma 2 and A comma 3. Now B comma 1, B comma 2, B comma 3 as the elements. Now you can see that elements of A cross B and elements of B cross A are not same. You can see the positions of A and 1 are not same. They are different. And we also can see that if A is a set and B is a set, A cross B and B cross A, they are also sets. So Cartesian product of two sets is a set. Now, but the elements of the Cartesian product will be ordered pairs. Now, it is not that we have to be given two sets and only then we can write the Cartesian product. We can also write A cross A. A cross A will be 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3. Then 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Then it is 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3. Now, we also can write B cross B. B cross B will be A comma A comma B, B comma A and B comma B. So now looking at this, you can see that A cross B, B cross A cross A and B cross B, the number of elements are not same in all the four. Only these two have the number of elements same. The number of elements in this is different. Number of elements in this is different. You can see that number of elements in A. When I say n of A, number of elements is 3, n of A is 3 and n of B is 2. Now you can see that number of elements in A cross B. What you can see, it is number of elements is 6, which is 3 into 2. Number of elements in the set A into number of elements in the set B, which is 6. Similarly, you can see n of B cross A. N of B cross A is 2 into 3, which is 6. Now you can see n of A cross A, it is 3 into 3, 9. N of B cross B is 2 into 2, 4. So what we can conclude from this is number of elements in the first set and number of elements in the second set. Then the number of ordered pairs in the Cartesian product will be the product of these two, that is P and Q. Now one more note, in general A cross B is not equal to B cross A. This we have understood from the example. We have understood that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Now, one more important thing that we need to know. If A is a null set or if B is a null set, then the Cartesian product will also be a null set. We'll understand this with an example. A and B are these two sets and where C is a null set. Now you have to find the B intersection C. What is B intersection C? Since set C is a null set, their intersection is a null set. So A cross B intersection C is a null set. If any one of the sets is a null set, then their Cartesian product will also be a null set. Now, if A and B are two non-empty sets and if either of A or B is an infinite set, then A cross B will also be an infinite set. Now, Cartesian product of three sets. Let's assume we have three sets and we have to write the Cartesian product of these three. Then how will the elements look? It is ordered triplet. It is not ordered pair. We have three elements here. So this is called ordered triplet. The elements will be in the form of ordered triplet where the first element belongs to the first set A, second element belongs to the second set and the third element belongs to the third set. This is how the Cartesian product of three sets looks like. Dear students, if you have any doubt on this topic, please do mention it in the comment section. I will solve and upload the video.